Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to adjust your handbrake in a Seat Ibiza, and it's really easy. So let's get to it. So you've got a handbrake like this. I've already tightened it. I just thought it'd be a really useful video to post. And your cup holder and all that should look like this. All you can do is squeeze it in and pull it up. Okay, you might have to squeeze in this bit and pull it up as well, and it just pulls out like that. Okay, as you can see, that's where the clips are. If these are a little bit stiff, you may need to get a little tool in, a little bit of plastic just to push these through, but I've always found that they're all right. Looking at the back, you'll see a little 10mm, and you don't actually get much movement on it. Okay, so I'd suggest using a ratchet spanner to speed things up if you can. If not, then you might be here for a while. Start with the handbrake up and tighten it, because if you start with the handbrake down, these two prongs here are really loose and the ratchet spanner won't actually activate. Then lower it down and these two prongs should be up, okay, but not too tight. So they should just be, that's pretty much perfect like that. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. I'm going to do a few videos on this car, so please make sure you like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, put them in the comments.